Okay guys, so I'm at the mailbox. I'm at my post office and I'm picking up a delivery and that's what I got. Okay, I got a delivery. Okay, so we're gonna check on this when I get home and see what's in it. Okay guys, so I'm back home. All right, so I just went to the post office and I got a package today. See? So you guys can do the unboxing with me. Let's see what they sent me. Okay? Okay guys, so let's open. I already started. I couldn't wait. Okay. Ooh, what did I get, you guys? Ooh, I got some leggings. They're cute. Okay, they say that, first off, these leggings are from a company called Attlady. It's spelled Attlady. Okay? Thank you guys. Thank you, Attlady, for sending me these leggings. Okay, and this is the leggings, you guys. See? From Attlady. Okay, that's the company name. All right, so it says they are high-waisted leggings. And it says they shape your legs, hide the cellulite. Ooh, that's a plus, honey. And it says tummy control. Ooh. You get lots of stars for giving me tummy control. Okay, so that's a very great. You get a really good star for that one. Tummy control. Okay, so the name of the company again, you guys, is Attlady. And these are some high-waisted leggings and they're tummy control and it hides the cellulite. So I can't wait to try these on. Thank you, Attlady, for sending me these leggings. So this is the leggings, you guys. And the name of the company again is Attlady. Okay? So check them out, you guys. Okay, and it says they are tummy control. High-waisted and tummy control. I love a tummy control pair of leggings. So you get 10 stars. Ding! You get 10 stars for giving me tummy control. I love tummy control. Anything that's tummy control, I love it. Okay, so thank you guys. Thank you, Attlady. Okay, so don't forget, you guys, the name of this company is Attlady. Okay, and these are the leggings. See that? So check them out. All right, so let me go check them out and I will let you guys know my honest opinion. You know, Wealtha's not gonna lie. Okay, all right. I'll see you in a few. Okay, guys, remember that the company name is Attlady, okay? And I will be leaving the link to where you can purchase these leggings, which you can purchase them on Amazon, you guys. It's an Amazon link, okay? So I will leave the link in my description, okay? And then you guys can run and get them too, okay? Don't forget, Attlady. Okay, guys, so let me open them and see how they look. Okay. Ooh, I like how soft they feel. Okay. Ooh, they're pretty. They're nice and silky. Just like silk. I love it. Okay, look at that, you guys. Nice, huh? All right. Ooh, look at that. For that tummy. All right, you guys. Attlady. Okay. All right, so I'm going to try them on now. And I'll let you know what I think, okay? Okay, see you in a few. Bang, 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 bang. Look at this, look at this, look at this. These are the leggings, you guys. These are the leggings. Okay, these are the Attlady leggings that I unboxed with you guys. See, this is how they look when you put them on. Attlady leggings. Okay, ladies, look. You want some leggings that's gonna hug every curve in your body? get these. They make you feel so sexy. Oh my God. When I first got them, when I first put these on, I was just gonna put on a sweatshirt and show you guys how they look. But honey, when I put these on and I saw all of this shape come through, I was like, she deserves more. So I went and put on my cheetah print heels. And I had to show off these leggings. Oh my God, I love them. Look at that. They said it's tummy control. Look at that. Sucks in my tummy. You see that? Look at that. Cellulite control. No cellulite showing. And look at that. Shows all of that shape. You see all that shape? I love them, you guys. Look at that. You even got some pockets. Look. Okay, these are the leggings that you need to run and buy like right now. Let this be your Christmas gift to yourself and to every woman that you know who wants these. Let them know. Attlady. Look, this is the leggings. These are the Attlady leggings that I just unboxed for you guys. Do you like them? Oh my God, I'm in love with them. Look at that. Look at that. Bang, bang. You see all that? Look at all the shape it gives you. Look at that. It's tummy control. It sucks in your stomach, so it's tummy control. Cellulite control. No cellulite showing. And look at all that shape that it gives you. Oh my God. And guys, this is a size medium. Look at that. I love them. Look, they even have pockets. Anything with pockets, I love too. Look at that. I love it. Don't you love it? And again, this is a size medium that they sent me, okay? Attlady, I love them. We are besties now. Okay, ladies, so make sure that you get you a pair because they are fantastic. And let me show you guys. Okay, they're high-waisted, okay? See? High-waisted. They suck in your stomach. They suck in the cellulite. They're great for active wear, or you can dress them up like I did. Because at first I was just going to put on a sweatshirt and show them off for you guys. But when I put on these leggings, honey, they made me feel so sexy. So I had to go throw on my cheetah print heels. So look. So I dressed mine up, you guys. But you guys, look at that. You see that great shape that it gives you? You need to get these, ladies. These are a great pair of leggings. I love them. And I will leave the link to these leggings in my description for you guys so that you can order them too, okay? And they're from Attlady. Okay? You see that? I love them. Okay, ladies? Go pick these up for Christmas. Don't buy one. Don't buy two. Buy three. Because they're so great. Attlady, I am your best friend now. Thank you. Thank you for sending the leggings to me. Okay, guys. Okay, ladies, run out and buy your leggings. Thank you, guys. Sucks you in. Sucks you in. See? And you have nice pockets. Look at that. Curves. Okay, ladies, look at these leggings. Cellulite, where? No cellulite here. ladies, if you want these leggings, stay tuned to the end so you can see if you can get a free pair. Okay? I will be telling you how you can win a free pair of leggings at the end of this video. Okay? These leggings are everything. Okay, ladies, here's another scenery for you so you can see them not in my kitchen. See? You see the shape they give me? Sucks in all the cellulite. No cellulite. Okay? Look at that. They're high-waisted. Sucks in your stomach. And they're, look, pockets. These are the best leggings, lady. And when I tell you, they are the best leggings that I have ever had on my body. I love them. You ladies, go try these. Okay? And I'm wearing a size medium. Okay? This is a size medium. So, if you want to know what size to get, I'm a medium. Okay? You won't regret it, you guys. All right? Attlady. That's the name of the company that sent me these, okay? So make sure that you guys check out I'm going to put the link in my description so you guys can click on it and get your leggings. Don't buy one, don't buy two, buy three. And this will be a great Christmas gift, ladies. Treat yourself. Okay? All right. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Attlady, for sending me the leggings, and I appreciate it. Thank you. Okay, guys, so let me give you another look at the leggings, okay? So this is a size medium, okay? And it fits me perfectly, you guys. Size medium. Back it up a little bit so you can see. You see that? Look at that. You see that tummy control? Good tummy control. Okay? And then look, it has pockets. Okay? So if you're out working out with them, you need your phone, then you got some pockets. Okay? And this is the length. Okay? And the material, you guys, it feels like it's so soft. Okay? Nice soft material. Feels really soft to the skin. Okay? Okay, look at that. Nice pair of leggings, you guys. This is the best pair of leggings I have had. And that's my honest opinion, okay? If I didn't like them, I wouldn't say that I like them, but I love these leggings. So make sure that you guys get your pair. They're so nice. Okay, guess what, you guys? Okay, guess what? Okay, so the company, which is called Attlady, has agreed to give my first 10 subscribers a free pair of leggings just for leaving a comment. So if you are the first 10 subscribers who leave a comment, you will get a free pair of leggings from Attlady. Do you want these leggings, you guys? These wonderful leggings. Okay, so if you want the free leggings, you guys, okay, my first 10 subscribers who leave a comment on the leggings video will get a free pair of leggings, okay? And I will send you the code, and you will send the code to the company, and then they will send you your free pair of leggings. Isn't that great? Thank you, Attlady, for giving my subscribers the free leggings, okay? So, come on, you guys. The first 10 subscribers will get a free pair of leggings, and I will send you the code so that you can send it to the company, and you will have your free leggings, okay? All right, let's get it, girl. Let's get it, girl.
Okay, guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a comment so you can get your free leggings. And don't forget to subscribe.